Hello stock stalkers, very happy weekend and welcome back to the channel. Last week was very interesting and I can assure you that coming week will be more interesting because most of the participants are now back in UAE after Christmas and New Year holidays. Just in case if you are new to this channel, for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon next to it so that you can get updates whenever I post my videos. And also if you are interested to learn technical analysis so that you can trade stocks, cryptos, forex, currencies, you can join my course. My website is www.stockstock.ae. Click on the course, check out the details. If you are interested, you can WhatsApp me and talk to me. For now, let's discuss Dubai Financial Market Index and some positive stocks for coming week. With that, let's start the video. First stock is SALIC. I had uploaded my detailed analysis. Just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide a link right at the top. Click the link and watch that video. Just to give you a quick recap, SALIC is in a strong uptrend. This is an impulse move, and after every impulse move, we can expect a correction phase. And from here we saw SALIC going sideways. Resistance was at 2.50. We can see market broke the resistance. Last candle is very positive, it's bullish. Remember guys, market does not keep going up. There is always a upside momentum. Market corrects itself to make a new high. So we are seeing similar kind of price action. Most likely we can expect to see a new high from here. I think most likely we should see 2.70 to 3.00 very soon. At the same time, let me highlight, we will not see a direct momentum to the upside. We can expect up moves, correction, up moves and similar kind of price movements. But overall SALIC is looking very bullish and positive for coming weeks. Next is IMAR. It's still not bullish, but just wanted to give you an update. We can clearly see it's going down. IMAR broke the support of 5.94. Also it broke psychological and technical support of 6.00. If IMAR does not hold at current levels, we can even come down till about 5.70, and this is very strong support for IMAR properties. So for now I would say avoid IMAR. There is no point catching a falling knife. We will only buy when we see a bullish price action. Let's wait for it to break some resistance and prove us that now it's in an uptrend, although it's at a very important support area. I will update about IMAR properties if I see any bullish price action. Empower is still looking positive. Slowly and steadily we can see it's climbing up. Thin volumes but still positive. It's also following this trend line. I had recommended this stock right at this candle. For now it's going sideways. Stop losses should be below this candle, that is around 1.36. You should keep targeting at least 1.46 for now. I'm positive it'll break all-time high very soon and make a new high and go past above it. Empower is also looking positive for coming week. Next is Talim. It's still not bullish, but many of you had requested, so here is my quick analysis. In my previous video I had mentioned it's within this range. 2.6 is resistance or upper range. Lower range or support is at 2.60. Unfortunately what we saw is a breakout of this range right here. It broke the support, it went past till about 2.55 and now it's trying to go up, but the same support is now acting as a resistance. A typical example of support and resistance in play. So now if it wants to turn bullish, it has to come back within this range, make some price action, and we want to see a breakout of this trend line or resistance zone, that is at 2.65. For now this is in a no trading zone. Wait and watch. DR is still not positive, but it's trying very hard to be bullish. This is the resistance, that is 0.510. Support is right here at 0.498. Price is stuck within this range. Whenever market tries to cross, it gets rejected, bounced from the support back into the resistance. We are seeing similar kind of reaction for the last 10 to 15 days. Unfortunately, last candle is also negative with low volumes. What we want to see, market break the resistance, that is 0.510, and then we can plan to buy. So for now, do not rush. Let's wait for a good opportunity. Many of you might be thinking, let me buy right at the bottom and then when market goes up, I will be in profit right from the bottom onwards. No, this does not happen in the market. There are good chances it can open with a gap down and then go further to retest 0.490. This was also a previous support zone. So don't be in a rush. Let's wait for big boys to buy it. When they enter, we enter with them so that we can profit. So again for DR, for now, wait and watch game. Hold your horses. Air Arabia is looking positive. We can see it's trending up. Also we are seeing a bullish chart pattern that broke last week, and after the breakout now it's coming back for a retest. Previous candle retested the previous resistance zone that was around 2.18. It was successful. However, very next day when it opened flat, it started to come down and we are seeing a red candle. Just in case if it comes down for a retest around 2.18, this would be a buying opportunity. Also at the same time, if it opens with a small gap up, or if it opens at 2.21, there are good chances it can start to climb higher. Short term, first target should be 2.26 and then you should target 2.30 respectively. Overall, Air Arabia is positive and more upside momentum is expected. Gulf Financial House is still in a downtrend, but we can see it's at support that is around 0.880. Previously, the same zone, we can see market took a bounce from here as well. So this is an established support zone and from here market made a huge move to the upside. But this time when market touched here, it did not make a huge move to the upside. In fact, it just went sideways. It's making a positive price action and most likely it will break the resistance of 0.910 and from here we can steadily expect upside momentum. Your first target should be 0.940, your second target should be 0.970 respectively. Any stop losses should be placed below 0.880 to be on the safer side. Emaar Development is still in a downtrend but it's looking positive. We can see after this rally to the upside, we can see a small pennant pattern. It broke to the downside, but in next trading session if it opens with a gap up, there are good chances it can go higher from here. It will face resistance at 4.45 and then strong resistance at 4.50. Interestingly, once we see price closing above 4.50, this stock will turn bullish. As of now, this is still in a downtrend, but most likely this is a reversal. We can expect upside momentum. So if you want to catch early bird entry, this is the right place. Provided, as I just mentioned, it should open with a gap up. Once it crosses 4.38, you can start entering at this level. Stop losses below the low of this candle, and in case if it opens flat or with a gap down, avoid this stock. I hope guys I have covered the stock of your choice. Just in case if you have seen the analysis that you wanted to, do not forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel for more regular updates. Thebreed is in a no trading zone, meaning it's in a range, and this stock usually moves only when there is a positive or negative news. As of now, it's in a no trading zone. 0.30 is solid technical and psychological resistance zone. Once you see a close above this, it's good for a buy. But for now, I would say hold your horses. It can even come down, break the support that is around 2.90 to see a low of 2.71. So it's always recommended to wait for a bullish price action, good setup, and then we enter the trade. ERC is still struggling, but we can see some positive price action. Previously, this zone was support. Market came here, took a bounce. It came down for the second time. We are seeing similar kind of reaction here as well. And then market went sideways when it hit the support again. We can see it's just going zigzag, and then finally it broke the resistance of 4.40. We saw a breakout and then we are seeing a retest as well. Yes, we are seeing good bounce. So in next trading session, if it opens with a gap up or at least a flat opening, there are good chances it can go higher and change the trend. For now it's still in a downtrend, but in case if it opens with a gap down, it means buyers are not active. Sentiments have again changed. It may come down in the range, make another price action and then wait for a breakout. I hope guys you have learned something from this video and it will help you to make a plan for coming week. Do not forget to hit the like button, support the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.